Today we're also trying the Qyk Sonic. This is available at Laser Advantage. It's new on the market. It's a silicone face cleanser, but also promotes anti-aging, so it's a great tool for everyday use. So step number 1 is to dampen your face. Normally I just do it in the sink, but we're doing it on Instagram today. So I have a clean cloth, and I'm just going to wet my face. Step number 2 is to add some cleansing gel onto the Qyk Sonic. I'm just using the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel today, which is kind of my everyday cleanser. And then step number 3 is just turn it on and cleanse. It's super simple. So there's a couple buttons at the back. This is the power button, and then these are the intensity buttons. So higher intensity is going to give you a really good cleanse, and then lower intensity is suggested around your eyes and wrinkle areas for anti-aging. So you just turn it on and push it into your skin in circular motions. Kind of feels funny. But you see all that stuff about electronic toothbrushes. Everyone uses electronic toothbrushes nowadays, and how much of a better clean it is. So I really believe in this. And it's definitely better than a traditional cleansing brush because you don't have to buy any reusable brush heads or be concerned about how dirty the bristles are because this is completely silicone. And the last step is just to rinse your face in the Qyk Sonic so it's nice and clean for your next use. Did feel like a really nice cleanse. And Laser Advantage is giving one of these away to you guys, so make sure you check out my most recent post to enter the giveaway. Bye!